Okay, Assalamu alaikum Samia, this is your lesson today. I'm just going to help you to revise changing mixed fractions to top heavy, which is exercise 7 and page 40. So let's get that down. So we're doing exercise 7, page 40 from the Apple book, which you've got a copy of your own downstairs. So it's page 40 and that's basic skills. That's what we're doing today. And we're changing mixed fractions into top heavy. So on yesterday's lesson we done the opposite. Today we're gonna do the opposite today. So mixed fraction. Let's have a look at, for example, question number 1, which is 3.5. Okay, 3.5. Okay, now if you look at 3.5, we have to change that from being mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means it's got a whole part and a normal fraction. That's what makes it mixed, because it's a mixture of whole number and fraction. Now we always start at the bottom over here at the 2. We go around here and we multiply and to the top, and then we add. So on the top, and then the answer goes on the top. So we have 2 times by 3, add 1. 2 times by 3, add 1 goes on the top. That's where the answer goes. And the bottom number gets copied on the bottom. So 2 times by 3 is 6. 6 add 1 is 7. And that's finished. That's the answer. Yesterday we started with this and we had to get this. Now today we're starting with this part and we're going back to that. So that's your first example. Let's go through that once more. We always start from the bottom, from the denominator. We multiply by the whole number. So 2 times by 3 is the first part. And then we add the top number 1. And then it's like we follow, it's like a cycle. We follow it around and go at the top. So you have 2 times by 3, add 1. And that'll give you 7, because that's 6, add 1, 7. The bottom number gets simply copied across. And that gets copied across over there as well. Okay, that's the first example, question number 1. Okay, now you can at any time pause this video, and if you need to copy it down, you can copy it down as an example. And then when you finish, press play and then carry on playing. So, okay, let's have a look at another question. Let's have a look at question number 24, 8 and 9/10. Okay, now you got to think, what is the rule? Where do we start? I'm going to try a different color. Let's just hope this comes out just as good as the black. Where do we start? Here, here, here. We start at the bottom. We multiply and then we add the top one. Okay. Back to the black. So that's the motion that we're doing. So we're starting here. Starting at the bottom, multiplying by 8 times by 9, so that becomes 10 times by 8, add the 9. That basically follows around and gives you the answer on the top. That's the working of the answer on top. The bottom number gets simply copied along the bottom. So we have 10 times by 8, which is 80. 80 add 9 is 89. There's your two answers. And it's as simple as that. So what I would like you to do now for homework, if you want to, you can play back this from the beginning of this video and go through again the examples, but it's literally as simple as that. It's nice and straightforward method. Exercise 7, page 40, basic skills. Do that in your that book that you had, that big pad, okay, the spiral bound pad. Do it in there nice and neatly, set it out, make sure you miss a line out in between each one. You don't need to write down start and stuff, and so you just make it as neat as you can make it, okay? And don't forget to do all the other homework as well. Okay, so that's the end of today's lesson, and I'll hopefully see you tonight, inshallah. Okay, sorry.